Hello everyone. So if you want to use Google Wallet on your Motorola Razr 50, well, first of all, we are to find our Google Wallet application. If you don't have it, open up your Play Store and install it. However, if you have it already, it should be installed by the default. Simply open it up. Now press Add Payment Card. And here you are to add your card, so simply scan your card with the camera or enter the details manually. Also, you can use a flashlight right here at the top right corner. If you need it, simply use it. So press enter details manually, for example, add up your card number, as we add up your country name. Simply follow all the information which Google needs from you, right? After that, you're to press save and continue. When you have done it, to use your Google Wallet successfully and to use your card, swipe down from the very top of your screen. Now swipe down again, and here we are to find our NFC option. So make sure that you turn on this option because we will need it. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.